Good morning, everyone. Myself, Jayven Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today's topic is preparation of the mother solution under class 5th and 6th. Mother solution definition. Mother solution or Q solution is defined as the drug pharmaceutical prepared from a drug substance of mineral and chemical origin as the strongest alcoholic or aqueous solvent by the process of dissolving in alcohol purified water. Classes under mother solution. There are two classes. With A, aqueous solution, it includes chemical drugs which are soluble in purified water. Hahnemann and further classified them into class 5th A and class 5th B, depending upon the solubility in the strength of 10% or 1% respectively. There are in the 5th class, there are the subclasses. There is class 5th A and class 5th B. Class 6 alcoholic solution. It includes the chemical drugs which are soluble in alcohol. Hahnemann and further classified them as a 6A and 6B, depending upon their solubility in the strength of 10% or 1% respectively. There are the charts of the classification of mother solution, and it's firstly is class A aqueous solution, class 5th aqueous solution, class 6th alcoholic solution, and subclasses are class 5th A and 5th B, and class 6A and 6B. And firstly, we are the further studying class 5th A. It deals with the method of the preparation of the aqueous solution with the purified water. The substances which are included in this class are easily soluble in purified water. Under the 5th A class, the solvent are the used in purified water. Preparation of the mother solution principle. 1 part of the weight of medicinal substance is dissolved in 9 parts of by weight of purified water. Required material. Ingredients. Required medicinal substance, purified water. Apparatus. Porcelain, mortar and pestle, homemade spatula, clean glass vial and pot. Minimum glass, balance with the weight box, conical glass, pen, gum, paper and scissors. Procedure. First, test the purity of the medicinal substance. In the all classes, the firstly we test the purity of the substance. Firstly, then the 1 part of the weight of the medicinal substance is taken in a well clean round glass vial and mixed in 9 parts of by weight of purified water, taking care that at least 1/4 of the fuel remains vacant. The vial is now closed. The cork and the homogeneous solution is prepared by shaking gently. And drug power of the in this class the 1/10. And further potentization by suction. Centimal scale. For the first potency preparation of 1C, take 10 minimums of the mother solution and 90 minimums of the purified water and give 10 downward stroke of the equal strength. First sensible potency is ready. And after that, second potency, take 1 minimums of the first potency and mix 99 minimums of alcohol. Give 10 downward stroke of the equal strength and second potency is ready. Further, all the succeeding potency are prepared by the mixing 1 minimums of the preceding potency with 9 minimums of the alcohol and giving 10 downward strokes. Decimal scale. For first potency 1x, as the drug power is 1/10, it corresponds to 1x. Under the decimal scale, the drug power is 1/10. So the drug power, so first potency is 1/10. So consider is the first potency. For second potency, 2x. Take 1 minimum of 1x, that is the mother solution, and mix with the 9 minimums of the purified water. Give 10 downward stroke of the equal strength to give 2x potency. All succeeding potency are prepared by the mixing 1 minimum of the preceding potency with 9 minimums of the alcohol and give 10 downward stroke. Drug under class 5th A. Minerals and chemical source. Acids. Aceticum acidum, bromicum acidum, ureticum acidum. Inorganic compounds. Examples: ammonium car, baryta acetica, baryta mure, calcarea acetica, calcarea mure, causticum, ferrum mure, kalium car, kalium chloritum, kalium causticum, natrium ureticum, natrium selenicum. And we are going to study class 5th B. Class 5th B includes the substances which are easily soluble in water, but they are soluble in greater quantity. We study class 5th A, they are the less quantity required for the substance. And class 5th B, A 5th B includes the large quantity of the purified water. Preparation of the mother solution. Principle: 1 part by the weight of medicinal substance and 99 parts of the by weight of purified water. Required material. Ingredients: required medicinal substance, purified water. Apparatus: Cold mortar and pestle, homemade spatula, clean glass, vial and cork, minimum glass, balanced with big box, conical flask, pen, pencil, gum and scissor. Procedure: firstly, the purity of the medicinal substance is tested. Then the 1 part of weight of medicinal substance taken in a well-cleaned round glass vial. 99 parts by the weight of purified water is added. Taking care at least the 1/4 of the vial remains vacant. Close the vial with a cork and made a homogeneous solution by gentle shaking. Drug power 1/100. Potentization by suction. Sensible scale. For first potency 1C, as the drug power is 1/100, it corresponds to 1 sensible potency. For second potency 2C, take 1 minimum of first potency, that is the mother solution, mix with the 99 minimums of the dilute alcohol, give 10 downward stroke with the equal strength and second potency is ready. All succeeding potency are prepared by mixing 1 minimum of the preceding potency with 99 minimums of alcohol. Decimal scale. For second potency 12. As the mother solution contains 1/100 drug power, it corresponds to 1/100, 1/10 into 1/10, 2x potency. For third potency 3x. Take 1 minimums of the 2x potency, that is the mother solution, and mix with the 9 minimums of dilute alcohol. Give 10 downward stroke of equal strength, the 3x potency is ready. And further potencies are prepared by the mixing 1 minimums of the preceding potency and 9 minimums of the alcohol and give 10 downward strokes. Drug under the class 5th B. Minerals and chemical sources. Examples are oxalic acidicum, picric acidicum, phosphoricum acidum, fluoricum acidum, chromium, kalium bromicum, kalium bromitum, mercury cyanatus. These are the we are studied class 5th and sub classes are 5th A and 5th B. Thank you.